Welcome to Tech Kangaroo. Let's talk about the infamous dark web. What is the dark web? In this video you will learn about the dark web, and how it differs from the deep web, and how to get in with it. The internet as you know it, is a tip of the iceberg of World Wide Web. The actual thing is much bigger place than you probably realize. Many people know about Facebook, Google, eBay, and Amazon, but do you really know what lays beneath those user-friendly and famous websites? This is but a tiny corner of the internet, and the dark web and the deep web loom in much shadier corners. Using Tor browser you can access them, but should you even want to visit the dark web or the deep web? Let's take a tour to help you make up your mind. What is the dark web? The dark web is the World Wide Web content that exists on darknets, overlay networks that use the internet but require specific software, configurations, or authorization to access. The dark web forms a small part of the deep web, the part of the web not indexed by web search engines. How to access? Almost all sites on the so-called dark web hide their identity using the Tor encryption tool. You may know Tor for its ability to hide your identity and activity. You can use Tor to spoof your location so it appears you're in a different country to where you're really located, making it much like using a VPN service. When a website is run through Tor it has much the same effect. Indeed, it multiplies the effect. To visit a site on the dark web, that is using Tor encryption, the web user needs to be using Tor. Just as the end-user zip address is bounced through several layers of encryption to appear to be at another IP address on the Tor network, so is that of the website. There are several layers of magnitude more secrecy than the already secret act of using Tor to visit a website on the open internet, for both parties. Thus, sites on the dark web can be visited by anyone, but it is very difficult to work out who is behind the sites. And it can be dangerous if you slip up and your identity is discovered. Not all dark web sites use Tor. Some use similar services such as I2P, for example the Silk Road Reloaded. But the principle remains the same. The visitor has to use the same encryption tool as the site and, crucially, know where to find the site, in order to type in the URL and visit. Infamous examples of dark web sites include the Silk Road and its offspring. The Silk Road is a website for the buying and selling of recreational drugs, and a lot more scary things. But there are also legitimate uses for the dark web. People operating within closed, totalitarian societies can use the dark web to communicate with the outside world. And given recent revelations about US and UK government snooping on web use, you may feel it is sensible to take your communication onto the dark web. Dark web versus deep web, although all of these terms tend to be used interchangeably, they don't refer to exactly the same thing. An element of nuance is required. The deep web refers to all web pages that search engines cannot find. Thus the deep web includes the dark web, but also includes all user databases, webmail pages, registration-required web forums, and pages behind paywalls. There are huge numbers of such pages, and most exist for mundane reasons. Thank you for watching. In my next video you will learn about Tor browser and how to access the dark web and much more. Please like and subscribe.